Okay, so for math this week, we are doing two things. We're finishing your chapter 7, which is graphs, the data chapter. So what you're going to be looking for is recognizing what these mean. So these are the parts, the title and what these symbols mean, and then you can use those to answer the question. Then getting the totals of tally marks, making a bar graph, and answering all the data questions. And then here, using the line plot that we talked about last week and telling me what these mean. Make sure you're using units. So let's just say it says there is 12 children. How many wear blue shoes? Then your answer might be like 4. I want you to write 4, but then I want you to write children. Because then I know that you understand that the data is for children, not for shoes. And that's kind of what we're looking for, is just making sure you're using the units to answer the question. And then the next one is chapter 7 is your test. Your mom can read you any of the words that you don't know how to read, but she can't help you with the answers. Your dad cannot help you with the answers. He can just help you read if you need help reading, okay? And then we're moving into measurement. I think measurement is so much fun. I love measuring things. So first we're going to be doing, there's a little story about Matt and Patty. And then right here, you're going to practice. Now, important things. When you're measuring, you always start at the end of your ruler. We never start in the middle of our ruler because then you're not going to get an accurate measurement. So you need to start at the end of your ruler and work until find the answers. If you can't figure out the answers, that's okay with that. And then this one is measuring length and height. This is just noticing and recognizing how many of each of these. And then about means estimate. So I don't want you to write, like right here, I don't want you to write half of a block. I just want you to say about this many blocks, okay? So if it's close to the end, that means it's probably about 8 versus if it was right at the edge of the other side and it was only 7, like a little more than 7. So just make sure you're picking those right ones. And then same thing here, only this time we're using actual inches instead of like numbers of blocks. We're using actual inches. These are right here. These rulers are made and they actually are an inch. They did a good job here. So this is, look, this one right here. It's between the 3 and the 4, right? So it says the line ends between the 3 and the 4. And so it's closer to which one? It's closer to the 4. So it's about 4 inches. It's not quite 4 inches, but it's about 4 inches. And that's what I want you to do for all of these ones. And then here, I'm going to put a ruler in your packet. Use a ruler to draw a 3-inch line. Measure those. Same thing here. You're going to measure these line segments and tell me about how many inches they are. And I think that is it. Math isn't too bad. Math is pretty fun, actually. I love using rulers. I love measurement. I love all of that. I like data, too. I just find it fun. So that's it. That's math for this week. So those are your lessons. I'll put them on YouTube, and then they'll be ready for you. If you have any questions, please let me know how I can help you. And I'll send you Bible. I think that's it. Have a good one.